Michael.
Yes, sir.
I am going to give you 5 geographic locations.
Okay.
Then I'll have great golf courses. You're going to blindly then rank them 1 to 5.
Okay.
All right. First place. Home of Steve Strickler.
Home of
Cheeseheads, Green Bay Packers, Wisconsin. Whistling Straits, Sand Valley.
You got a few
Aaron
good
Hills.
ones there.
What do you think? Where does Wisconsin rank?
Out of Wisconsin, they're right next to us, being from Iowa.
Yeah, true.
I haven't done much golf in Wisconsin, but I know that there are some nice courses.
Mm-hmm.
We'll keep it at a solid 2 for right now.
Solid 2. Well,
solid 2.
You, a lot of respect for the Cheeseheads.
That there are.
Okay. Let's start with another W. This time, Wyoming.
We've got Shooting Star, which I've seen in quite a few different Instagram ads recently.
Oh yeah.
Lots of beautiful courses around the Grand Tetons. I'm going to go with 4 on this one.
4.
Not
a lot of love.
Not a lot. It's a love, but not
now,
a lot.
This one, we're going to test your skill set. We're talking my home state, Michigan. I mean, you've got Arcadia Bluffs, Traverse City Country Club. You've got Kingsley. You've got one of Jack Nicklaus's The Bear, right? And don't forget, Oakland Hills hosts all these big-time majors tournaments. So Michigan, home of the 1990 or 2000, 1997 too, but I'll say the national champion football team. So, what do you think?
Well, we're talking golf here,
still talking
I'll keep it at a solid. Oh, I already took 2, so
yeah,
we'll do 1. We'll do 1 for right. I don't know what's going to come next.
All right, yeah, but this is the curveball on you.
This
is the curveball. I'm ditching the states. I'm going with the country of Ireland.
I thought we were doing states.
Yeah,
Ireland. 1 I used, 2 I used. Gosh, there's a lot of good in Ireland.
Yeah, you better come up with a good limerick.
You got the oldest golf course in Ireland too. Well, I got to put it 3.
The world's #1 golf course, right? Royal County Downs.
I have to put it at 3.
Number 3. All right, and now the final one, what people call the home of golf. The PGA's moving to North Carolina.
This has to be number 5.
You don't have a choice though, right? Oh man. All right. That's okay. You got
North Carolina 5.
There you go. All right. Well, we'll see what happens next time. See you guys. Ciao.